Yes, everyone, hope you're having a good day. Welcome back to a match day vlog on the channel in Manchester. It's really for a train, because I did actually miss my train, speaking of trains. It's really to be stopped. This is now the second outro video for me. So I did miss my initial train, just kind of like that. It's me, I need to set off now, because I missed that really good game here. Stop what this is going Crewe V Crawley today. 50-14 from League 2, Scarlet League 2 game. Another ground I've been to Morflick Stadium. Should be nice, decent ground. I'm looking forward to it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Key play for Crewe is Aldo. Key play for Crawley is Benny also Crewe, obviously in 5th place. Doing alright this season, obviously. 1-4 in a row, but we've won the last 2 games, but in decent form, obviously. This is Crawley, winless in all 3 in the last competitions, but yeah. In 14th, also. We'd like to be higher, but yeah, it should be a good match day vlog. And if you're doing this video, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Also, that's why I still. Even if I miss them, I'll try to go to another game, so I've done 2 guys, try and get another game in, so yeah, I'll see you down there, peace. Right, so at Crewe railway station now, I've just walked out, I'm like, what's going on here? And I'm like, there's a pretty bang up going on outside. It's like the fire engine, there's like something going on down there, I don't know. Someone's had a massive smash or something, there's fire engine police today, I don't know. But something's going on down here. Where's the stadium? Oh, there's Morflick Stadium, there is in the background. This is the stadium. Over there is the stadium, so yes, pretty much not far. I'm just gonna walk around. I'll see you around Crewe, let's go. Right, so to be fair, I've just been walking around Crewe. I'm literally now here, like, all it's just buildings and loads of shops. I don't know if I've been Crewe before, I don't think I've been for a while. Passed through it, but it's not here. Some nice modern houses around here, to be fair, but it's like, now here. I've just been walking around. Like, there's not much here, to be fair. Like, there's not much to show, really. I don't know. As far as I know, anyway. But, yeah. There's not really much to show, but I'll see you down at the Morflick Stadium. We'll show you around the stadium. But you know what, just some showing Crewe, to be honest.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ice cream van stand over there, that's what. Overall, it's a decent stadium. Yeah. Just have that stadium, got 2 burgers and cheeseburger. Red's very simple season. Yeah, 6 out of 10. It's not best, yeah. So you're kicking for plays one. Teams coming out. Apparently plays Provost playing street as well. Number 6. We've got the Crewe Ultras over there. Big up the Crewe Ultras. Should be a good game. Nice view as well. Stadium. Put the teams on the stream. Let's go. But to Crawley it's probably about 50. You know, it's a long way. You could bring more, but it's a long way from. So fair play to it's a lovely ball as well. Try to watch the box. Oh, good play there, Sakura. Dimitri plays a long one. Oh! Blocks the corner. Yeah, good play there. Good effort there. Oh, that's a poor mistake. Oh, he's got it like over there. Poor mistake. That boy saved it. No one's happened so far this game. 2 shots of free seas. The ref's been really poor. The ref could be better, to be honest. I mean, poor decisions to keep it. Not much sort of chances to defend the first half an hour, but hopefully we get more. Obviously, Crewe get more chances. Good cross, knock it, whack it. Oh. Good ball, he's in. Oh, just the keeper there. He's pretty hard at keeper. Oh, good block, great block there. Good shout, counter, counter, go on. Good ball, good defending. Good skill.
We scored now.
Oh! What a good chance that was there. It's wide of the post. That's half time. Crewe 0-0. No more trouble first half. More action second half. Half time. Stadium. It's 3-0. 4-0. Even that game too far, not much chances to say about. There's a few chances. Mostly from Crewe had a few chances, but the game won up to 2-0 there. There's a few errors made for Crawley, brought it down, obviously just can't sort of found that very defensively. Also, Danny Walsh is right outside the guard as well. But yeah, Crewe obviously. Again, more possession, hopefully we can get 1 or 2 goals. It's beneficial for them to move up the playoffs. But yeah, hopefully get more action in the second half. We'll see you. Good ball. What a shot. Good ball. Oh. Everyone's flying around here. Good deal. Go on. Yes! Oh, that's great! 1-0. That's cute. Charlie Kirk's my job. He's an ex-Crewe player. He's going back now on loan from Charlton. Let's go. So it's a good second half of 1-0 to Crawley Good enough of a Crewe can be to do is actually you stop it as free. Yeah. These are guys who are see this first half, yeah. Crewe got a goal and that's all that. Oh! Strike from Darcy, that to be fair. Left for that to be fair. Cross, oh! Yes! 1-0 win for Crewe. 3 points. Crewe also in great fun again. Steps to Crawley as well. 1-0 for Crewe. Again, so first set off and staying perfectly back again sometimes. Yeah, great thing. Both games with fair, there's one chance, but 1 goal's all here. That's like, it's Crewe.